Hello everyone, welcome to Nation Instrument channel. Today we introduce the Photovoltaic, the Welding Tape Peel off tester. This machine we're used to the battery, the peel off testing. Today we show you how to do the testing, how to install the machine. So let's go. Normally, the horizontal, the photovoltaic welding tape will be like this. So we will take here, and here's magnet design, and we will stick here. Then through the hole. And here is magnet, and here through the small group. Fix. The simple install will finish. And this is the first step. We connect with the power. The plug is Chinese national standard, the 220 voltage. And here will be the one side, another side will connect with the machine. And here's power switch, open. Here's another side, connect with the machine. So connected with the machine will be a USB 9. Here's another side, connect with the computer. And here's a manual panel. And we have a 6 button, 6 function. A is for the testing, stop, quickly turn left, slowly turn left, quickly turn right, slowly turn right. And here's the emergency button. We'll press, machine stop. I'm gonna show you each of the function. Firstly, the testing. Now I can show you. Stop. Can show you. I show you the menu for the left and the right. Here's quickly, then left. Stop. And this one is point running. Press running. Press running. And press will stop. Okay. And here's slowly turn left. And that one is quickly turn right. Slowly turn right. And this button adjusts the height of the grab. So then now we adjust the grab going up, then going down. So just here, this small grab.